Hi boys and girls, welcome to Science. This week we're continuing to talk about basic needs of living things. And today we're going to talk about the basic needs of humans and animals, which is shelter. Let's read this book. Shelter. Celine Claire and Quinn Ling. It's morning, and as the day stirs, the animals do too. Some slowly, some gently, while others go leaping out of bed. Over breakfast, everyone catches up on the latest news. A storm is coming. There's no time for panic. Together, the animals all set to work gathering wood. Squirreling away food and quieting their fears. They must be prepared. At last, everything is ready, and everyone braces for the storm. The wind begins to pick up. But all is well. The animals are safe and sound in their homes. What if others are still outside? Little Fox asks. In the distance, two figures emerge from the fog. The wind is howling around them. Everyone watches from their windows and wonders, who are these strangers? What are they doing here? What do they want? Soon they come knocking. The wind is cold. In exchange for some tea, could we warm ourselves by your fire? Our fire's out. Try next door. Our bellies are empty. In exchange for some tea, could we have a few cookies for dipping? We have no food. Try next door. The night is dark. In exchange for some tea, could we take comfort in the light of your hearth? Our den is small and crowded. Try next door. But next door, there's only a hill. That's all right, says Big Brother. Maybe the hill will be more welcoming. As the bears set off, leaning on each other and into the wind, a voice rings out from behind them. Wait! Calls Little Fox. He has found something to share after all. You can't eat it, and it's not as warm or nearly as bright as a fire, but it's still generous, Big Brother says kindly. Thank you. On the hill, the night grows colder, so cold that the wind turns white. His big brother holds out his hand. Little brother sticks out his tongue. Soon the ground is blanketed in soft white snow. Big brother and little brother look at each other and smile. They will be just fine. But there's danger in the fox den. The snowfall is so heavy that it becomes more threatening than the wind. The roof folds and twists, ready to give way. Quickly, everyone out, says Father Fox. What will they do now? It's so cold, says Mother Fox. It's so dark, says Father Fox. Look, says Little Fox. I see a light. As the foxes approach, the scent of ginger and cinnamon fills the air. Closing their eyes and taking deep breaths, they follow their noses. Finally, they reach the curious light. The snow is still falling. The wind is still blowing. Little Fox steps forwards and shouts, The wind is cold and the night is dark. In exchange for some cookies, would you share your shelter with us? The lantern light is weakening. Our den is small and crowded, and we have nothing to eat, says Big Brother. But our tea will warm you better than any fire, and with your cookies for dipping, It will be delicious. Come in, come in. And that is how two strangers came to share their humble shelter on a stormy winter's night when the moon could not be seen. The end. Now, boys and girls, if you would like, you can take a piece of paper, some crayons, and draw a picture of the two bears in their shelter. And you can pause this video if you want to take a look at that. You can draw the bears in their shelter. You can draw the fox family as well if you'd like. Thank you for joining me today for science.